Rangers lead the way! Move! Keep up the pressure on those RPGs! If that's Ridgeway against us, we're swimming rough!
Warlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting air strike to grid 252171. Target is a white 12-story apartment building. Over.
Hunter 2-1, this is Warlord. Solid copy. I have Devil 1-1, flight of 2, F-15s online, stand by for relay. Hunter 2-1, this is Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, time on station 15 miles, holding at 3 Sierra Northwest, holding area knife, carrying 2 J-Rams and 2 Hans, over. Standing by.
Devil 1-1, target is a white 12-story apartment building at grid 252171. I need you to level that building. How copy, over?
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1. Rolling in now. Target acquired.
On the bridge, hit it up high! Multiple targets, take them out! Up on the bridge, far side! They're retreating, keep hitting them! Complete. We're Oscar Mike. Move out. We're moving out.
Let's go. Get your ass back in the vehicle.
We're Oscar Mike. Move it. Out.
If you got a laser cable, once you start that car, stop it.
Which building is it, sir? That's all 1 o'clock. Say, which building? The one at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right? The one on the left. Hey, isn't this danger close to the task force? This is what the sheriff care about danger close. Look at the baby's going down! Hunter 2, breaking away.
Copy, Hunter 2. All Hunter 2 victors, keep an eye out for civvies. We're not clear to engage unless they fire first. Stay on the rooftops, the hostiles. Stay frosty.
See? I got nothing, dude. This place is dead.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1. We're passing Tunnel Harvey. Cross Street Elizabeth. Roger that, Hunter 2-1. Proceed with caution.
Alright, stay frosty, you guys. This is the Wild West. Watch those alleys.
3-foot mobiles. Balcony, 12 o'clock. Probable militia. Are they armed? Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us. But that don't mean we can shoot them.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All Hunter victors. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to engage.
We're going
taking
in.
sniper fire from multiple directions.
Get the hell away from those windows and secure the top floor! Move! 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 Get a flashbang in there!
العدو على اليسار. نعم.
Under 2-3. I have eyes on the school. Over.
2-1, we are combating effective here. We're taking heavy fire in the school. Can you assist? Over.
Keep it together, 2-3. We're on the way. 2-1 out.
Target! Front of the school. Take him out.
Squad, on me. Let's go. We're in the school. Heavy resistance.
Copy that, Hunter 2-1.
Roger, second target. Keep moving. We need to take the heat off of Hunter 2-3.
Cutting through history class now.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-3. Thanks for the assist. We're leaving on Hunter 3's Humvee. Over.
Roger that, 2-3.
Contacting 12 o'clock. Roger, tracking.
I think I saw one run into that classroom.
Grizzly, this is Dark Star. See you head out.
Hostile taking cover behind the
Clear!
line.
Keep going out!
Cover me! Foot mobile. He's out to the right.
Roger, tracking target!
Hunter 2-1 actual to Overlord.
Hunter 2-1 actual, this is Overlord. Send traffic.
The school is secure and hostiles are withdrawing from the area. We're just mopping up now.
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceed with caution to the rally point. EPWs may still be in the area, over.
Roger that, Overlord. Let's get to that rally point!
Contacting 12 o'clock! Get the wounded to the shock trauma unit. Use my helicopter.